The light of spirit shines forth from me. Today I joyously proclaim a greater good. My thoughts are radiant with the light of spirit. There is no darkness in my mind. I am directed by the spirit of wisdom. I am guided into right action, into happiness and success, because the light of spirit shines from the very center of my being. The light illuminates my path and makes straight the way before me. The light is God, the living Spirit Almighty. Gently I lay my burden and woes at the altar of my faith as I turn from the valley of my previous unhappiness. I made my ascent from appearance to reality with a song on my lips and peace in my heart. The light of spirit shines forth from my soul. It is a beam of eternal radiance. In the light there is no darkness. I close the door of my consciousness to everything that denies my good and affirm that all I need is at hand. Today I accept a greater experience of life's infinite bounty. Going within myself, I meet this life and expect it to respond. I refuse to dwell in limitation. The presence of the Spirit in me establishes in my life that which is good, beautiful, and true. All the power there is flows through me as health, happiness, and success. The light of spirit shines forth from me.